Looking to set up your TV with a VPN? You came to the right place. In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to use a VPN on your smart TV. Setting up Surfshark on your TV will depend on what kind of TV you have. If you have an Android TV with Android 5.0 or later, no problem. Just download our app from the Google Play Store and off you go. Enjoy switching your location to anywhere in the world. But if you have an older TV or something like a Roku TV, you will have to use a different method. So let's go over all of them one by one. The first option to set up your TV would be to use an Amazon Fire Stick. This small little thingy plugs into the HDMI port of your TV and makes your already smart TV even smarter by giving it access to the Amazon App Store. With it, you can download the Surfshark app and use it as you would on any other device. This only works with the 2nd generation Fire Sticks or newer, which you can easily identify by its microphone button on the remote here. The obvious downside of this particular method is that you need a Fire Stick, which isn't expensive, but it may not be available for sale in your region. Additionally, the VPN speeds may be a bit slower with a Fire Stick due to its lack of computational power. That being said, this is still a good method. Not only will a Fire Stick allow you to use a VPN, it will also add a ton of features and extend the life of your older TV. The next option is to use a router that supports a VPN connection. This method is awesome since it not only covers your TV, but other devices around the home as well. The only downsides of this particular method are that the speeds are similar to a Fire Stick, which could be a bit slower. And also you need a router that supports a VPN. They tend to be a bit more expensive and sometimes are tricky to configure, but they are well worth it. If you want to find out if your router supports a VPN, then click on this video here where we show you how to check. The last method to set up your TV with a VPN is to use a Windows PC hotspot. For this particular approach, you will need a Windows 10 or 11 computer with Wi-Fi support. Unfortunately, this only works with Windows, so if you have a Linux or macOS computer, it will not work. We made a whole video on how to set it up step by step, so click on this card here to check that video. This option is my personal favorite since it's super easy to use and it offers the best VPN speeds. Obviously, it may not be the most convenient method since you have to dedicate a whole computer for this method. And that's all you need to know how to set up your smart TV with a VPN. I hope that this video helped you out. If it did, then don't forget to give a video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now that you have set up your TV with a VPN, why not check out other videos where we show you how to set up your console with a VPN. That's all from me. Stay safe and take care.